gathering.
Respected Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan, FOCNC Western Naval Command, Vice Admiral Rajaram Swaminathan, Controller Warship Production, Lieutenant General Dhiren Kushwaha, GOC MG&G Area, Vice Admiral D.K. Goswami, Director General Naval Projects, Mumbai, and of course Chief of Staff, FOMA, and my colleagues, Mr. Madhu Nair, CMD Cochin Shipyard Limited, AVM Prashant Badokar, AOC Maritime Ops, Commander Amit Chandra Chaube, CEO of INS Mahe, respected veterans, complete team of Mahe, their proud parents and family members, dear officers, ladies and gentlemen, and friends from media. A very good morning to all of you. At the outset, bravo Zulu to the commanding officer, officers and men of Mahe, and all those involved in this ceremony for such a fine arrangement and outstanding ceremony. It's indeed a moment of immense pride and profound sense of honor to be present at the commissioning ceremony of INS Mahe, first of the 8 anti-submarine warfare shallow water crafts being built by Cochin Shipyard Limited for the Indian Navy. Today's ceremony not only marks the induction of a potent new platform to our maritime order of battle, but also reaffirms our nation's increasing capability to design, construct, and field complex combatants with indigenous technology. Named after the historic coastal town of Mahe, a symbol of India's maritime legacy, the ship embodies the spirit of innovation and service. Her commissioning will significantly augment the Indian Navy's ability to ensure near seas dominance, strengthen the coastal security grid, and safeguard our maritime interests across the vast expanse of our littorals. The commissioning of INS Mahe reaffirms the Navy's steadfast transformation into builder's Navy, one that designs, constructs, and sustains its own combat platforms. Today, over 75% platforms of the Navy's capital acquisition are sourced indigenously. From warships and submarines to high sonar and weapon systems, Indian shipyards, public and private, stand as a living proof of our nation's industrial and technological dominance, a journey towards Atmanirbharta which makes every citizen swell with pride. The successful delivery of INS Mahe by Cochin Shipyard Limited stands as a shining example of excellence professionalism. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Sri Madhu Nair, CMD of Cochin Shipyard Limited, and his entire team for this outstanding achievement. To the commanding officer and commissioning crew of INS Mahe, I offer my warmest congratulations. From this day forward, the mantle of responsibility rests upon your shoulders. You are the custodians of her spirit, her discipline, and her fighting edge, as symbolized by Urumi. Remember, a ship is only as strong as the man who sail her. Her spirit will depend on your courage. Her reputation will depend on your character. The nation will sleep peacefully because you will remain awake. And India's tricolor will fly high across the oceans because you will defend it. As said by Helen Keller, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. So, as a soldier standing among seafarers, today I am reminded that the strength of our armed forces lies in synergy. The sea, land, and the skies form a single continuum of national security. And together the Army, Navy, and Air Force form the trinity of India's strategic strength. In this age of multi-domain operations, our ability to act in concert from the depths of ocean to the highest frontier will determine the security and influence of our republic. We are an operation line in every domain, from Ladakh to the Indian Ocean, from information warfare to joint logistics. Ops Sindoor was an apt example towards that synergy. The Indian Army too has launched a series of initiatives under our overall umbrella of a decade of transformation in which jointness and integration is an important pillar, recognizing that modern conflicts will be multi-domain, hybrid, and require united national strength. The Indian Navy plays an important role in our neighborhood as well as the global environment in far-off lands, where the efforts of Army can play both a supplementary and a complementary role in soft and hard diplomacy, which I refer to as smart diplomacy. The Indian Army and Indian Navy have always stood shoulder to shoulder for HADR missions across the globe or even the amphibious operations. I'm aware that the Indian Navy is looking a future expansion plan in a big way to evolve as a formidable, multidimensional and network force capable of dominating the seas. I wish you success in all your endeavors. As INS Mahe hoists the ensign today, she carries with her not just the hopes of the Navy, but the collective faith of a nation that stands united behind her. May her voyages be safe, her missions be successful, and her crew steadfast in the service of India. I wish the commanding officers, and all hands of INS Mahe fair winds, following seas, and fathoms below keel with great success in every mission that lies ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind. Shandu Varna.
Thank you, sir.
I now request the dignitaries on the dais to join the Chief of Army Staff for unveiling of the ship's flag. I now request the Chairman and Managing Director, CSL, to present a silver salver to the Chief of Army Staff. I now request the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Western Naval Command, to present the ship's model to the Chief of the Army Staff. The Chief of the Army Staff will now present a memento to the Commanding Officer. I now request the Commander-in-Chief to present a silver salver to the Commanding Officer.
Ladies and gentlemen, certain personnel have contributed significantly with dedication and utmost professionalism towards the trials, timely delivery and preparatory activities for the commissioning of the ship. And in true spirit of jointmanship, the efforts stand deserving of honor and formal recognition. May I request the Chief of Army Staff to award commendation cards to these personnel. Commander Suraj B. Pattare, Lieutenant Commander Pranesh Srivastav, Lieutenant Commander Shrishti Tiwari, Nikhil Singh, ERA 3.